December is the perfect time to earn some extra cash. With the holiday around the corner, people have needs and you can meet them this season. I have some side also ideas that you can do in December and make a lot of what? Money! Let's jump right in. I'm sure you must have heard about personal shopper. This December season, people are very busy. And as busy as everyone is, there's the need of it's December to be met. We have things that need to be bought, either we are busy or not. If you know your way around the market, this is a good time to lift the burden off people. It could be shopping from dresses for their children, dresses for them. It could be Christmas shopping, Christmas tree, Christmas pajamas, anything Christmas that would make their home look more beautiful this season. People that are into personal shopping, they charge per hour. So you charge for your service. If you are going to the market, you charge per hour. If you know where there are good deals this season, this is the time. People are shopping a lot. If you are very familiar with the market, you know your way around the market. Even if you do not do this before, you can put it on your story. If you need Christmas shopping, I'm here. Put it on your Instagram, on your WhatsApp. You will be shocked that people that are close to you even need this service and they are looking for how to get. Ask around in your neighborhood and even on Facebook groups, people would be asking, where can I get this? Is there any personal shopper? Don't sleep on that. Next is holiday decor setup. People want to do setup in their offices, business, home, anywhere. But do you know the stress that goes into setting up an holiday decor? I saw a video in February and this lady still had a Christmas tree up by February and she was like, ignore this thing. I do not have strength to dismantle this thing because it takes time and it is very stressful. So that is someone that needed to dismantle a Christmas tree but could not because it was stressful. So you could do this for people, help them set up their Christmas tree and even help them dismantle it after Christmas. You could do like a 2-in-1 package. I'm available to help you do setup and dismantling for your Christmas decor and you charge a fee for that, right? Trust me, more than you know, a lot of people and family, they need this. And if you could charge a fee, you'll be shocked that you'll be recommended from one person to the other, to the other, and to the other. You're welcome. Next is resell gift item and gift set during holiday season. Now, I run a business where I do jewelry, accessories, customized items, and we also have gift boxes. And I have wholesalers that what they do is it is during the holiday that they come and buy. They buy, they resell to their colleague at their workplace, holidays and Valentine's. Yeah. This is the season where people are buying gifts, exchanging gifts. You can look for pages where they sell gifts that suits you or what you like to push. Personally, you can send a DM to my Instagram page and someone would attend to you if you are interested in that. It is a good way of making extra money. You can buy something for 8,000, you sell it for 15,000. You don't need to buy it. You post them. When people are interested, you collect the money and the seller send directly to your customer with a plain nylon, and that's it. It's going to be in a box, a package box. If you need card, you say, oh, I need card. Cards can be added at an additional fee, and a lot of people do make money from this yearly. It's an amazing one. The next is virtual assistants. Yeah, it is holiday. A lot of businesses would be closing. However, there are some businesses that are in demand that they do not close for the year, and they may need some help with replying messages and all that, so that their business keep going during the holiday season. Like last year, I had to work till 25th. 25th, I was working. I had to close early, maybe by 11 a.m. or 12 a.m. to have some family time. I woke up very early. I was replying to messages, packing all that, sending them out because some people would still want to buy last minute order for gifts. And 26th was Boxing Day. So people were like, please, can you please help me? I started actively replying to messages, working during Christmas last year. That was because I realized that 2 years ago, on the day of Christmas, on the day of Boxing Day, people were sending messages that, oh, please, I need gifts. Can you deliver tomorrow? Can you help me? But I was not even available. I didn't plan for that. I had my plan and a lot of fun was part of it. I'm not saying do not have fun or do not close. But last year, I'm just like, okay, last year, can I make it open? Like, take orders, send out orders till 11, 12, then by 12, I can now enter into the holiday mode. And money was involved. So, and besides, I was going to take January 1st, 2nd, and 3rd off to relax from all the stress from December. So I'm like, okay, I think it is worth it, right? There are businesses that need to keep attending to people or responding to them. For my kind of business, if I could get a virtual assistant, I think I would have jumped at it, but I can't because the work is you packing the order, so you can't. So for some businesses, they would take the orders and send them out after the holiday. But in my case, people want it during the holiday, and we have to ship them out, right? So there are some kind of businesses that even during the holiday, they have to keep operating. They need virtual assistants. Just apply for posts like that during this season and get one, and you get paid. It's not free. Another point is gift customization. My business does collections customized gifts, and this is the time. You can come to businesses like mine that we can customize for you. If you have 100, 200, 500 pieces, we can customize for you. And you just bring the work for us, and of course, you put your own money. Even if you are doing a work, we give you a very discounted price, very discounted rate. You had your own extra money, you make more money. If you find this video valuable, please hit the like button. This is going to tell the algorithm this is a good video, and it's going to push it to more people like you that need to make extra cash this season. Thank you for your help. I really do appreciate that. Next is event planning. You can help people plan their events during this season. People have a lot of events lined up and they do not know how to plan it. If you are good and hands-on in that regard, it can help people plan their events and bring it to life. We have people that they do annual events like 26 people come to their house, they do party, enjoy and all that. So this is the time for party. This is the time to bring out your skills. Anything you are good at, get a graphics design to design it for you. Post on your story. Tell people that you know, your church members. These are people you tell, oh please, I'm doing this season. Refer me, recommend me, and I can also do it for you. You too. Also, do not close your mouth. A closed mouth is a closed destiny. So you have to open up and tell people, let us know what you are doing this season. Okay? Next is house cleaning and organizing. Trust me, people would need help with organizing their home this season. You do not have to be the one to do that. You can hire someone to do that for you. The person you hire goes to clean. It's about to be met this time. People's grandchildren would come to visit them. 10 grandchildren and trust children. They will turn the whole place upside down. So with children, a lot of children at home, you need help, all the help you can get. So people want to do like an what do they call this? Fumigate the apartment and get ready for the season. It is amazing. Because another thing you can consider is painting. People, once it's the end of the year, people are trying to paint their home so that there's an uplift, there's a new look. If you know anyone that's going to painting, you can tell them, can I market this thing, bring you job, and we share it. Maybe okay, I'll get 20% if you're not doing anything at all. 20% is okay. Even 10% is okay. If you bring a job and you're not doing anything, you do not have any knowledge about the field, your own is just to bring the job. You can agree on the percent. I will take 20%. Can I help you push this? So it doesn't even have to be something you know about. You can push other people's businesses this season. Businesses that see that painting, especially people that live in White House, like they paint year in year out. They paint their apartment. So it's an amazing time to make extra cash. And with these few points of mine, I hope I have been able to convince you and not confuse you that it is time to make extra money and wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up. Dun 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 dun. If you have anything you would like to add or any ideas that you think people can do this season, please drop in the comment section. I would love to read from you and learn from you. In this playlist, I shared different side hustle ideas, business ideas that you can do all year round. Click here, watch, and enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. I'll definitely see you in my next one. Bye.